Well, thank you very much for joining me. I'm meteorologist Brian Ivy from NeoWeather, and we're looking at a little break from the very active weather pattern, but I think we're going to really start things up here again soon. We could be dealing with true old man winter back with a vengeance. We did have some pretty cool winter weather, creating freezing fog over the course of portions of the Midwest, Iowa, Wisconsin, Illinois, and neighboring states. This is rime ice that forms from that. So very cold, below 0 Celsius or below 32 Fahrenheit water droplets that when they touch a surface, could be a railing, could be a pavement surface, could be brick, could be a mailbox, it turns into frozen precip ice. It has a pretty cool pattern to it. You can see here the individual small scale intricacies of the different icicles that form on any and all surfaces. It's just the mist surrounding everything. Pretty cool, just like out of a movie. Forecast section of this with the future cast. This is one system to watch. Could be a little freezing drizzle on the eastern side of this, little snow in the middle. I think the heaviest precip, whereas you're actually going to see more in the way it impacts, is going to be the rain on the far side. It's going to be less terrible. You're going to have less drizzle, you're going to have less fog. It's still kind of gloomy across portions of the Ohio Valley and Midwest, Mid-Atlantic, but not as bad. A little system forming, just some light snow here. It's not a super active pattern, but it's not like it's dry, high pressure and sunshine either. So a few snow showers here, few more coming in with this system, stretching across portions of Montana in towards portions of Idaho, then sliding into the Dakotas eventually. That will be kind of one of the minor systems to watch as we go into early next week. Notice, could this system maybe be back here a little bit? Could there be enough cold air for there to be snow with this? It's possible. Or it could go out to sea. Also possibility of enough cold air and the right setup for a little bit of lake effect snow as we go into early next week. Some of these systems are going to dig more. Possibility somewhere across the south for more in the way of snow is certainly there. These models are not doing great. They don't have a wonderful idea on a realistic idea of what's going to happen, but the trend is more active next week and the chance is there for more southern or east coast type systems. This would be another guy that could ride up either the coast or go out to sea or be an interior type of a storm. So things to keep an eye on. There should be more cold air available into next week. Once we get through mid-January, I think it's games on for more of true winter weather, and this is a map that's going to kind of show that. In the blue color, the green colors, that is below average height anomalies or more troughs in the atmosphere. You have good blocking here, so you're kind of suppressing things, pushing them south. Give you a good look at that, how you're going to see multiple different waves spin up. This is a pretty good looking pattern in January if you like occasional outbreaks of cold air and a more active pattern with snowstorms. Doesn't mean your backyard will get them, but there should be more storms compared to right now by a lot in portions of the central Great Lakes, eastern U.S., even southeast. Look at all those wonderful blue and green colors showing up there off and on. So that is a much higher propensity compared to average for storms to develop overall. Also temperatures, they're just not going to be quite as mild. A lot of this is honestly pretty close to average here. Definitely below average temperatures here across the south. Only really are you dealing with the Dakotas and then back across the west coast in the next 6 to 10 day period that are going to be above average. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, whether you're a snow contractor or any other industry that deals with weather, we work specifically for you to forecast the impacts so you don't have to worry about a lot of the stuff. You don't have to worry about those apps and the TV forecasts. It's a lot more accuracy and a lot more information here from NeoWeather.